Hello my internet friends, my name is Marijn Florismith and I make videos. This is the intro. Alright, and today I've got something special. We just had a crazy idea and we are gonna do it. It's an unboxing, guys, with Werner. Werner, the boss of Simple Longboards. How are you feeling, Werner?
Hey, I'm doing good.
You're stoked? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm super stoked.
Tell us about the place where we at right now.
Well, we stay at this awesome hotel and it's called Hotel Azimuth.
We are not sponsored by Hotel Azimuth. Just a little disclaimer for you guys.
Maybe we could ask for a discount. Sorry.
So, yeah, we are at the hotel.
Oh yeah, and what we're gonna do today.
Yeah, what we're gonna do today.
Tell
Please,
them.
Tell them. We just arrived at the room and we found some awesome loafers.
We're gonna
And
do?
they sponsored it because it's here for free. And we're gonna do an unboxing like I told you before. Let's go. Let's go. Let's show them. Whoa, look at that paper as well. Look at the paper. It's just very nicely packed, you know.
Dude, you can totally see through, like it's totally clear.
Selfie. That's quality. Quality package.
Alright, let's see what we got here.
She says.
Oh, they're super lightweight. Like once I remove the package, it's like almost like
Oh man. Ah.